If you're struggling to go to the bathroom, there's an easier way to help clear out stuck poop without resorting to high-fiber diets or drinking lots of water. According to a top gut doctor in New York, fiber adds bulk and weight to poop, which can cause it to pile up and stretch out the bowels, making it harder to poop in the future. This can create a vicious cycle where more poop gets stuck, and the longer it sits in the colon, the more compact and dry it becomes, making it almost impossible to poop. Doctors may prescribe laxatives to help, but it's usually too little too late. In serious cases, they may need to remove the poop manually. But don't worry, there's an easier way to unclog stuck poop. It's called the 7-second poop trick, created by a top New York City gut doctor who specializes in solving constipation for good. This morning ritual is easy and satisfying and will help get things moving again, clearing out your bowels and making you feel 10 to 15 pounds lighter almost instantly. If you're feeling backed up or bloated, go ahead and tap the link in the comment or in the description below to see the doctor's 7-second morning ritual now before it's gone. It's like a pressure wash for your insides and can be done at home by anyone.